Greetings, scholars. Today I want to cover with you writing section 1 of the reaction paper. Uh, we're going to focus section 1 on establishing our ethos. What is ethos? Ethos is our credibility or reliability. How can I trust you to write about canceling R. Kelly? Did it? uh, unless you can tell me what cancel culture is and clearly define it. The purpose of Section 1 is to establish our ethos, right? In this section, we're going to define cancel culture and explain why it is so controversial. So look at this. Section 1 should be composed of 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you're going to write a standard introduction. You're going to hook the reader with the first sentence, and you're going to give me a definition of cancel culture. You're going to state your position on cancel culture. Do you believe cancel culture is a good thing or a bad thing? In paragraph number 2, you're going to focus on specific aspects of cancel culture. Third paragraph, focus on the effects. So think about this, right? If you're giving me definition of cancel culture, I have already given you a resource to define cancel culture. I've given you several resources. So look at this one. You wrote a review of this article, and this article uh, gives you a formal definition of cancel culture. It talks about cancel culture. You're going to use this article. Here are the pros, the cons. Here are the origins, right? You're going to use this article, Effect on Public Discourse. You're going to use this article to discuss Section 1. Okay, everything that you need should be here in section 1. So I'm going to go to the sample student paper. This is a paper written by a student in the class. And so the first thing I want you to notice is format. Here you have your format, last name, first name. This is paper 0, whatever number this paper falls in. If it's the first paper, the second paper, third paper, fourth paper that you write, give me your class information here. Give me your section number. Give me the date. Look at the title. In the last video, I warned you about giving me titles that are too bland, that are too boring. So look at this title, The Problematic Bronx Baddie. Who is this person writing about? Right? The title is not boring. It tells me who the person is without explicitly naming the person. Look at setup. Remember what I told you, double space, right? There is a double space between the title and section 1. Remember, your section heading should be in the paper. If these section headings are missing, I am deducting points. And those points will be enough to drop you 2 letter grades. So be careful, right? I want to talk for a moment about MLA format. So MLA format, I have some videos for you that takes you over this, but look at this. One of the things that the person has done in this paper, he gives me a formal definition of cancel culture. He tells me where it originated, and he gives me the source in the parenthetical reference. So look at this. In order for you to get credit for your in-text citations and not to lose points, because I will penalize you for having MLA format done incorrectly. So I'd simply hit my find button, right? If I hit my find button and I click on, this is where the person said he took the information. So I'm going to click the find button and look at this. My box will open up on the left hand side. I can click anywhere this person used Vocals. He only used Vocals one time. And if I click here, it takes me directly to his works cited page in alphabetical order. I see the full text of where this person got the information. This is the author's last name, first name. I know that there are multiple authors here because he uses et al. If I want to see the article, look at the article, all I have to do is control click to follow the link. And give it a second to load. And voila, here is the article. Here is the author, right? Emily Vogels. So I can check your sources. The one thing ChatGPT cannot do, if I check your sources and this does not pop up telling me the information, telling me the title, I know you use artificial intelligence to create sources, and I am going to fail you. Okay? This class is offered every semester. If you're going to cheat with ChatGPT, take it again next time and see if you can get it right then. Okay? So I'm going to go back to the student's paper. Again, I've given you a source for you to use to write section one. Use the source, but use it sparingly. Remember, these are still your words. Okay. Make sure, make sure that whatever you take, whatever you borrow, I should be able to just do a quick find, go directly to the works cited list, and I should see the full source information. If he says this is a YouTube video, I'm going to control click, see if I go to YouTube, and it says my browser is up to date. Yes, thank you, YouTube, but I want to see the video. I'm going to go back one more time. I'm pretty sure I'm doing something and the video is here. But you get the point. Make sure that whatever I click on to with the paper, it takes me directly to that source uh, for writing the paper. You can go back up. Uh, if you have any questions about anything, feel free. Email me. Email me at philip.blackman at aamu.edu. Take your time, write the first three paragraphs, look at what I'm asking you to do, look at the sample paper that's here so that you have an idea of what goes into section one. I will see you in the next video where I will talk about writing section two of the paper. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.